Welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order?
Hi, can I get a...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the governments of Arizona and the United States. This is not a test. Residents of Phoenix and surrounding communities are being informed that the extreme heat emergency has reached a critical and irreversible stage. After months of unprecedented temperatures, water shortages, infrastructure failures, and repeated strain on emergency services, officials have determined that the Phoenix metropolitan area is no longer considered safe for normal human habitation. Temperatures remain dangerously high throughout the entire day and night. Overnight cooling has failed, creating continuous heat exposure conditions that the human body cannot safely endure for extended periods. If you have already evacuated Phoenix, do not return. Road networks, communication systems, and emergency services are severely degraded. Travel into the affected area will place you at extreme risk. If you are still inside the Phoenix area, remain where you are if travel is unsafe. Seek any available shelter, conserve water, remain indoors, and assist vulnerable family members and neighbors. Emergency communications between Phoenix and outside regions are unreliable. Officials are warning that this event represents a historic failure of preparation and response. For decades, scientists warned that worsening climate conditions would create increasingly dangerous environments. Those warnings were not acted upon quickly enough. The consequences are now being experienced across Phoenix. The damage to Phoenix cannot be reversed. The city that millions called home has reached a point where recovery may no longer be possible. To the people of Phoenix, you are not forgotten. You are not alone. Emergency personnel, volunteers, and communities across the nation will not continue efforts to provide assistance. If you are scared, stay with your loved ones or lie down and close your eyes, it will all be over soon. This message serves as a final warning regarding the Phoenix climate crisis event. Further updates will not be possible. May the people of Arizona and planet Earth remember this tragedy and learn the lesson.